Hey guys, today we are fixing an issue with the fan or blower on my Ford F150. The fan isn't blowing any air at all on settings 1, 2 or 3, but setting 4 works just fine. To fix this, we're going to be replacing the blower resistor. This part will work for many Ford models. Pause to check out the full list, and the part link is in the description below. To start off, we're going to pop open the glove box and push in those little rubber stoppers on each side. Here we have the resistor that we're going to be replacing, and it can be accessed from underneath. You're going to need a 5/8 or 8mm socket to remove the 2 screws. Once removed, you can just slide that resistor out. Next, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver to pop up the tabs so the plug part can slide out from the pins. Now here's a quick look at the old one. It's common for moisture to get in around these resistors and cause them to malfunction. And let me grab the new one and plug it in. And just follow the steps in reverse to put everything back together. Now for our final test. Looks like we're back in business. So let me know if you found this video helpful by giving me a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.